just too late to save myself from falling. I took a chance and tell your world life. But you misread my meaning when I met you. Hey. Close the door and left me blind by the light. Whoa, don't let the sun go down on me. Yeah. Although I search myself so the someone I see, I just allow the fragment of your life to wander free. Oh, by losing everything, it's like the sun going down on me. Yeah.
I like your style. Looks like you are riding a bicycle.
Thank you.
You are leaving behind your younger viewers, your younger voters, your younger fans, okay? You know what? I'm going to say this and you need to listen to me really, really carefully. Before we go very far in the competition, you'd be losing them because Osimola Hona too ancient for them. Like you're becoming somebody that will remind them of their fathers music.
I don't have a problem with you singing for adults, my man. You know, they need someone singing for them. There's a lot of them, and they buy the music. Okay.